In today's video, I am going to teach you how to join Mailerlite. To get started, open your preferred web browser and go to the official Mailerlite website. Once the page loads, take a moment to make sure you are on the correct site. This is important because you want to create your account from the official Mailerlite platform, not from a third-party page. On the home page, look for a button that says Sign Up, or sometimes Free Sign Up. It is usually easy to find near the top of the page or in a main call to action area. Click that button to begin the account creation process. After clicking the Sign Up button, Mailerlite will take you to the registration page. This is where you begin setting up access to your new account. If you want a quicker and easier sign-up process, look for the option that says Connect to Google. This option allows you to use a Google account to continue, which can save time because you do not have to manually type in as many details. Click Connect to Google if that is the method you prefer. Once you choose the Google option, follow the prompts on the screen to continue. You may be asked to choose which Google account you want to use. Make sure you select the correct account that you want connected with Mailerlite. If any permission screen appears, review it carefully before continuing. This helps you understand what you are allowing Mailerlite to access for the sign-up process. When everything looks correct, continue through the prompts until the account setup moves forward. At this point, you should be signed in or brought into your new Mailerlite account area. If you are asked to log in, use the same method you selected during sign-up. For example, if you connected through Google, use that option again to access your account. Once you are inside Mailerlite, you will land on the dashboard. The dashboard is the main area where you can manage your account and begin setting up the tools you will use later. On the dashboard, look for a prompt or button that says Complete Profile. This is an important part of joining Mailerlite because it helps finish the basic setup of your account. Click Complete Profile when you see it. The profile completion area is where Mailerlite may guide you through account details that help prepare your workspace. As you go through this section, enter only the information that is required for your account, and avoid sharing anything unnecessary on screen if you are recording or demonstrating the process. After you click Complete Profile, take your time and follow the on-screen instructions. The exact layout may vary slightly, but the goal is the same. You are completing the basic profile information so that your account is ready to use. If Mailerlite shows progress indicators or setup prompts, move through them carefully. This step matters because an incomplete profile may limit what you can do inside the platform until the required setup is finished. Once your profile is complete, you can return to the main dashboard and begin exploring the core areas of Mailerlite. From here, you can navigate to Campaigns, where email campaigns are created and managed. This is usually one of the main sections you will use when you are ready to send emails to your audience. You can also open the Forms section. Forms are useful when you want people to subscribe or provide their information through a sign-up form. This area is where you would manage those form-related tools. Next, you can explore automations. This section is designed for setting up automated email flows and actions. You are not creating one right now, but it is helpful to know where this feature is located. You can also visit Subscribers, where your contact list will be managed. This is where subscriber information is organized inside your account. Finally, you can navigate to the Site section. This area gives you access to website-related tools available in Mailerlite. And that is all there is to it. You have now joined Mailerlite, completed the basic profile setup, and seen where the main tools are located.